Right, ladies, welcome to the second episode of ZIIP with me. If you haven't seen the first one, please go and watch that one first. I will leave it linked. I explained a bit more about ZIIP. This will be straight up treatment. Today, let's do glow up treatment. We will do facelift, then collagen boost and lips. This is a treatment I would do if I'm going out, just to, anytime I want to make my face look fresher, lifted, and more polished. So we will start with the facelift. Put your gel on so you are ready. One note I didn't tell you in the first episode. Whenever you do like the lymphatic drainage or the neck treatment, before you put the ZIIP on your neck, you need to do a few passes on your face till you feel a ZIIP. And this used to be on the app. It used to tell you before those treatments, put your ZIIP on your face first. But for some reason, it's not there. I know they are updating the app constantly, so maybe that's why. But remember, if you do like the lymphatic drainage or the neck treatment, do that first, because otherwise it takes the ZIIP few passes. You might not feel anything on one side of the neck to kickstart. So remember that. Now, the facelift uses microcurrent and is the strongest treatment, one that works on your muscles, therefore it should give you an instant lift. This one uses microcurrent and structured square waveform. So this is more about the facial tone. So turn your ZIIP on, then select facelift, start treatment. It tells you to apply gel, then I'm ready, and then sync. And we start on the neck. There is two ways you can do this. You can do this from the neck up to your forehead if you watch Mel. But there are other ways you can do it, and I will show you on the other side. So we pull everything up and put quite a good pressure on it. Not that it hurts, but don't just stroke yourself with it. Then lift that jaw. Go right under your cheekbone. You can be also a bit faster with this one. So with this one, I don't normally follow Mel. This is the one that I do a lot. So as long as you know that you're pulling everything up and don't go too close to your eye, just on the top of your cheekbone here. Don't go much closer than that. These are quite strong waveforms. So you can really freestyle it as long as you think, right, I want to leave my cheek, therefore you go in under your cheekbone, your jaw. You can feel that one. I can feel it near here, contracting my muscle. and you pull up your eye as well. Can you see my eyebrow going higher? Mm-hmm. Right, the other side. Okay, let me show you how I do it. I do it in threes. I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I do it faster. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I will go from the bottom to the top 3 times. Or 6 times. And then I repeat it just in threes. I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter how many passes you do, but I do them faster. When I had a call with Mel once and she was showing me all the treatments, she said that you can easily do that. And also, you can repeat this treatment again. You can do it twice if you want proper lift. And I just do it because it gives me some sort of pattern that I remember. Because I do it so much, I obviously have to have the app on, but I might be watching TV or something and I just do it my own way. And that's done. Now we're going to do collagen renewal. This is my favorite. It used to be called Founder's Favorite. This is 10 minutes treatment. This one is different. It uses just nanocurrent. So you won't feel any sensation. You might feel a bit of warmth. And this one is more for cellular renewal. So it works deep on your cells, increasing ATP production. I tell you something, if you do the facelift and that one every day, say 5 days a week for 2 weeks, you will see enormous difference. So reapply more gel if you need to. I might do. I have loads on, but never enough gel. I love this one. You can freestyle that one. You don't have to follow Mel. As long as you cover your whole face with the device, you are fine. So turn our device on. Let's choose the collagen treatment. Start treatment. I'm ready. Sync. This one uses sine forms, which are much more delicate. And now with this treatment, you can do this. You can go up from your neck up to your forehead. I always include your neck. You will hear the vibration is less frequent. And then I just sit there and go all over my face, whichever way I please. So you have 5 minutes on each side. You can feel nice warmth. Also with this, you can go close under your eye because it has very gentle nano current. So you can go under your eyes. Don't press it too hard there, but still put some pressure on it. You know, don't just stroke your face. So you do whatever you like as long as you cover the whole face. You can go over just under your eyebrow. I sometimes do this like a circle. So I go under my eye and over my eyebrow. It's very, very gentle. Very relaxing, and because you don't have to think too much about it, you can watch TV, listen to something, and just, you can even with this treatment hold it for a while in one position, whereas with microcurrent, you know, you have to keep moving the device. But with this one, be very slow. And just enjoy yourself. It's very relaxing. I can feel the warmth under it. You can even hold it under your eye for a while. You can hold it under your eyebrow on the upper lid. It's just a very, very relaxing treatment. You can go under our chin, just hold it here for a bit. Go a bit down, just don't go down to your thyroid. Okay, we're moving now to the other side. maybe you just carry on, and I will pause the camera because otherwise these videos are far too long. Finish the other side, and then we will come back. I will come back for the third treatment. Okay, I hope you finished that treatment. We are going to do lips. You could do lips or eyes now. You don't have to do these treatments the way I do it, in the same order or group the same way. Just choose what you want to target on that day. You don't have to do 3, you can do just 1 or 2. Or if you're really into it, do 4. So let's choose the lip treatments. So a lip treatment uses microcurrent with sine waveforms. And this one is to smooth, plump up your lips a bit. It's a the waveform is a bit smoother, a bit more gentle. Turn your device on, start treatment. Ready. Put a lot of gel around your lips and sync treatment. This one is really simple. All you do is you can start with bottom or top lip. You go in over your lip, the line and the whole lip, and just swipe it side to side. Nothing complicated about this one. Again, you can do this one twice. And we do the bottom lip first. It might. And then we do the top. If you do this one twice, you can see your lips plumped up. I go in the middle as well. Because this is going to bring a bit of volume to your lips as well. And that's done. I just saw Mel actually saying you can do it up to 3 times, but don't do it more than that. And that's your glow up treatment done. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon in a third one. Thank you for zipping with me, and stay fabulous. Bye.